Charlotte here. Today's recipe is chicken zucchini enchilada boats, and I love this. It's a great healthy option when looking for a Mexican dish to serve, and it's easy, so I'd say about 30 minutes unless you decide to make your own enchilada sauce, which I did not this time. It will probably add another 15 minutes or so, but it is delicious, and I also top it with some Greek yogurt for extra protein. Check it out, try it next time you're craving a Mexican dish.